Hi friends, it's Becky and I have a very quick little video for you. I have been opening up some Beading Advent Calendar items. I've started a playlist. I'll be adding this one to the playlist as well for the different Beading Advent Calendars that I've been opening up with you. I've been opening them up on an every other day basis because one of the Beading Advent Calendars has 12 gifts and the other one has 24. So what I'm doing is I am opening up the Jesse James Beads Advent Calendar every other day. I'm opening up one of their gifts because that's the one that has 12. And then the Eureka Crystal Beads Advent Calendar, which is not numbered. So I'm drawing these bags out of there randomly. If you also got this, you may be opening them in a completely different order than I am, but I'm opening up two of those at the same time. So it's day 13 and 14 for the Eureka Crystal Beads and day 7 for the Jesse James Beads. Now the Eureka Crystal Beads has items that are typical to find in a Eureka Crystal Beads collection, which is usually crystals, seed beads, findings, pearls, possibly crystal beads as well. It's been a lot of fun actually to open them. There have been some really, really gorgeous crystals that came in this already, as well as some great there was a spool of beading thread in there too so far. So it's been pretty cool so far. And I'm enjoying it feels like there's another tube of seed beads in here in this one just for that. And then the Jesse James Beads ones they partnered up with a bunch of artisan or small business beading companies, and each one of them highlights a different beading company, a different artisan maker. And so it's been really fun opening these, getting to know some of the other ones, like Damiana Beads. The last one that I opened had this gorgeous ceramic snowflake painted, hand-painted pendant. It was beautiful, and so I'm excited to see what's in all of these. So if you are still here, I'm going to assume that you want to see what's going on with this. If you would like to not be spoiled, go ahead and exit out of here now. Alright, so let's start with the Jesse James Beads one. And I will be putting links in the description below to both Jesse James Beads and whichever artisan this is, as well as to Eureka Crystal Beads. Oof. Oh, beautiful! Look at that. All right, this is Golem Design Studio. The Damiana beads, they're related. It's like the same beading family. That is so cool. So you know the feeling when you walk a bead show or visit someplace new and you land upon an absolute treasure. That is Golem Design Studios for us at JJB. It was in Tucson many moons ago when Sarah James was first introduced to Vlad Ivanovic and his daughter Damiana at a neighboring table. The ceramic beads created by this wildly talented Bulgarian family were positively mind-blowing, colorful, and nothing like we'd seen before, and the technique and design of these two neighboring vendors, albeit reminiscent of each other, were so very individualistic to their own brands and unique. Sarah brought Golem beads back to us at JJB, and the team too fell head over heels. So they are kiln-fired, family-curated artisan beads from Golem Beads. I will find the link to their shop to share with y'all. And look, there's the front of that. But here, let's take a look at this great, fantastic ceramic pendant. It has so much texture, so many great colors. That's perfect. It's not too heavy either. This is really great. Like, it could even be, if you had two of these, a good set of earrings, but you can have this as a pendant as well, I think. That is so pretty. I love that. Okay, so that was the Jesse James Beads one for 7. That is so cool that they were like the two envelopes, the 2 days next to each other for day 6 and day 7 for family. Here we go, family beads together. That's true, they're just wildly different ceramic styles. Alright, and now this is one of the offerings from Eureka Crystal Beads. And it looks like we have a clasp. This is one of those ball clasps where on each side they go like that, and then it's like a ball hitch. There you go, and you put that on there. That is fantastic. It's always nice to have, when you get a set of beads, to have some findings that you can use in your designs instead of having to search through your stash for that. And so we've got Permafinish Galvanized Golden Fleece 11-Os from Toho. That is fantastic. All right, and I'm gonna stick these in here. This is where I've been putting my things from Eureka Crystal Beads. You can see some of the other things that we've seen so far, like the crystals, some chatons, some pearls, some little charms. So far, it is turning into quite a little collection. Anyway, this was day 7 of Jessie James Beads and days 13 and 14 of Eureka Crystal Beads, and I will see you for the next one. Happy beading!